all yours, but I'm feeling my gut. It doesn't feel right. I see in your eyes. Tell me no lie, 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 lie. Tell me no lies, tell me no lie.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. If it's your first time here, thank you so much gorgeous for tuning in. Yeah, you are in the right place. I appreciate to my urges. Mwah. So guys, today I'm going to be revealing some of the clothing that SHEIN sent to me. By the way, this video is a collab with SHEIN. If I tell you these little pieces I picked, they are bomb. For this summer, you're going to rock them. You will never regret. Anyway, the link to each of these items is going to be on the description box. So if you're interested, gorgeous, just dive to the description box and check it out. Yes, we're going to start with this jean right here. It's gray color and it's wrapped jeans. It's high waist. I wear 38. It's a little bit tight for me. You guys can see it's a little bit tight. If you are my size, just take L, okay? M is 38, is Europe 38. So you can take 40 if you are the same size with me, okay? I really like the jeans, although it's not stretchy. It has this wrapped detail. You can see wrapped here, and at the under you can see I really like it. I like the under because it's a little bit wide. It's not too wide. I just like the color. You can dress this down, you can dress it up. It all depends on how you want. I love this, and the quality is just wow. I love the quality of this jean. Look at it. Let me bring it close for you guys to see. I think they have it in black, okay? I think so. They have it in so many colors in their website. I really love this gray color jeans. I always wear jeans because jean is a go-to. You just pick it when you're going for shopping, when you're going for acting. You can just dress jean up, you can dress it down. That is one thing I like with jean. So I rock jean in whichever way I want. Moving on to this strap sandal, crisscross heel ankle strap white sandal. I wore it with that jean that I just showed you guys. I love it. In short, I wore it with everything that I picked. I really like them. They are so comfortable. Look at the heel, this block heel. You can see it. They are so comfy. Really lovely. I like the cross detail in front of it. I'm going to put a picture of it here so that you guys can see the clear picture of how it looks, because wearing it, my jeans cover it because you cannot really see it much on my legs, but believe me, it's so beautiful, not painful at all, and the quality is just wow. See, you see, I really love it. I love the details of this cross in front. See it here. It's so lovely, and I like the white. If you want red, if you want black, they have so many colors there. The heel is not too much, and it is block heel. With block heel you can trek. If you want to trek, you will not have any pain. That is why I choose this one, because it's very, very comfy. I told you guys earlier that I love jeans. If you know me, I love wearing my jeans. I can dress them down, I can dress them up. That is why I love my jeans. So I took this jean also, single bottom cut out ripped flared yard leg jean. So I really love it. It's comfy. I took 38, like I said, I wear M. But to my surprise, this one is a little big, it's wide, it's a little bigger than me, okay? You guys can see it here. It's bigger than me. I don't know why. It's 38. That is one thing. Some sizing, I don't know how the sizing are. You will wear some 38, it will be so tight, it will not even fit. Then you will wear some 38, it will be too free, too big for you. That is the case right here. This one is too free. It's too free. It does not really fit in the way I want it, but I'm going to keep it anyway, because sometimes I like wearing things like that. You can hold it with your belt, and there's a way I can still wear it. I'll be able to manage to wear it, if you guys understand what I'm saying. I'm just everywhere. If I wear it, I'm going to put the clip of it, of me wearing it by the side here. So the back has pockets, has two pockets at the back. Even at the front, it has pockets and a zip detailing in front as well. Okay, I love it. I love the color and it's so cool. This jean is so, it's cooler than the other one. The other one, the first one I showed you guys, is a little bit hard, but this one is so soft, so soft. We're going to move on to this bag right here. Just look at this bag. How cute is this? I paired it with all the outfits. I so much love this purse. I like the detail here and it's gold, and the chain here is gold. Let me show you the back. It has a little department here. You guys can see, you can just put your phone here, or you can just put your credit card or whatever, because you're going to carry it like this. I really like it. And the inside, if you want to carry it long like this, you can see the chain is very long. The way I carry my bag these days, I just cross my bag because of baby when I'm pushing baby stroller. So when I saw this, I was like, hey, so today I don't carry baby, I want to do shakara. I will just put the chain inside, put everything inside like this, okay? Then I'll carry it this way. And the thing can book. See, when you put it inside, it will not come out. It will just remain this size like this. That's one thing I like with it. It's neat. You can see it's very neat. It has 2 compartments. Let me remove the papers. It has 2 compartments. Your phone, so many things can go inside this bag, and it's portable. I really love. I love. Just look at it. The color will go with everything. When I mean everything, that's why I picked this color. It comes in black. I think it comes in red. So many colors. In short, the next item is a shirt. Okay, this shirt is Essnce pocket front raw hems crop shirt. It's crop top. I really like this shirt. I like the material. The material is so soft. I'm going to put a clip here. You guys should just see how I rock this. I took the material is very soft. It's thick, but it's not too thick. It's not light. It's just the way it's supposed to be. It has white pockets in front. If you look at it under, you can see it's not equal. Let me see if I can show you guys. Okay, anyway, I'm going to put a picture of it here so that you guys can see the way it is on the website. I really like it. It's just simple, basic something. You understand that you can dress up, you can dress down. I'm going to really rock this. I will rock this with those jeans. I'm going to rock this a lot, really. And I wore it with the white sandal that I showed you guys. Guys, next is this blazer. These blazers, I want to show you guys the quality. Guys, when I mean the quality is wow. The quality is just insane. Guys, I wore it with a jean, but if I really want to wear this, I'm going to wear this with a pants. And I did not wear anything inside. Just look at it here. I wore it with a jean. Let me put a picture of how it is on the website for you guys to see. This took my breath because the quality of these blazers. The quality of these blazers, guys. Oh! Look at the material. Look at it. Just look at this. I was like, hey, why did I not collect white pants for this? Why did I not collect white pants for this? This is so beautiful. It is, guys, these blazers is not something that you will have to skip. No. You need this, really. The quality is insane. When I mean the quality, it's so thick. It's very, look at it, look at the material, just look at the design. Look at those buttons. Can you guys see that? And the quality is just wow. SHEIN. SHEIN, they are doing it. They are rocking. We're going to move on to this two-piece, this zebra two-piece. Okay, I did not wear this one. I did not have the time to wear it, but I like the way it is free. I like the way the trouser is so long. Just look at it. And the shirt is free, okay? The shirt is so wide as well, so if you're wearing medium, just take medium because the sizing is just perfect. It is perfect. You don't need to take any size up, you don't need to take any size down, unless if you want to wear oversized. It is free on your body. See, it is so free. See, you see that it's wide. It's wide. So this is really perfect. I'm going to push the picture of it here, how it is on the website. This one is what's the name? It is a zebra strap drop shoulder shirt and wide leg pants. Let me put my hand. If I do like this, I can see, but when you put my hand, you cannot see anything. It's not too light, it's not too thick, so it is just perfect for the summer. I love this two-piece. You can just dress it up, you can dress it down. So guys, moving on is this here that I'm wearing. Let me show you guys. Don't know if you guys can see it very well. It is two-piece. I'm going to put the picture here for you guys to see. I love it. It's summer. Guys, it's light. That is, it is lovely for the summer. I really like it. I like the color. They have so many colors on their on the website. Okay, when you go to SHEIN, click on the link, you will see so many colors. So if you don't like this color, the camera is not doing justice to it. Let me show you guys. See, so it's lovely. In a cool evening, you wear this, you throw your trainers, or you just wear your slippers, or you just wear your sandal. Guys, you are good to go. Or you just feel like, okay, let me just dress it up. You wear a high heel sandal on it with your bag, with your booms. Hey guys, you rock. So guys, next are these sneakers. You see them? Although I did not wear them, but they are heavy. This is heavy. That is why it is called heavy duty. I said no wonder when I saw it on the website. It said it's heavy duty shoes. It's heavy, but I love. Who wouldn't love this? I love the style. I love the design. I love the color. I love everything with these sneakers. I love everything with these shoes. They are so beautiful. Even though that they are heavy, I love them. I love them. I love them. They are beautiful. Look at it. Look at the detail. Okay. Yeah, you see it. They are lovely. I wear 40 and they fit so well. Just take your size because they fit so well. They are not too big, they are not too small. It's just perfect size. The sizing is perfect. So guys, that is it for this haul from SHEIN. It's a collab, like I told you guys. Thank you so much, SHEIN, for sending all these beautiful outfits to me. I really appreciate it. Yes guys, don't forget, if you like anyone, just head to the website. Okay, SHEIN. All details will be on the description box. Link to each of the items will be on the description box. So if you love anyone, don't hesitate, and they are affordable and the quality is just worth dying for. I'm going to leave the coupon code on the description, so use it to get coins, little coins from your purchase. Okay, you know we need that coin. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Always remain gorgeous. Bye.